Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds on the Xbox app for Windows 11. The first thing you want to try is, if you have the Xbox app installed on your PC, go to the Microsoft Store and try to find the game you want to download. The Microsoft Store and Xbox Game Pass or Xbox app are connected. So basically you can find the same game and you can install it directly from the store and see if the download speed is faster that way. The next thing you want to try is adjust the delivery optimization settings. So how do you do that? Go to settings. From here go to Windows Update. From here go to advanced options. And from here you're going to see something called delivery optimization right here. And then from here you want to turn off allow downloads from other PCs. So you want to basically turn this off. And basically this seems to be throttling a lot of people on Reddit, and this seems to be fixing the issue by turning this off. The next thing you can try is to use a VPN. That's pretty self-explanatory, but a VPN might allow you to basically get faster download speeds. The next option is to reset the Xbox app. So go to search, go to settings, go to apps, install the apps, and you'll find Xbox right here by typing in Xbox. Click on the three little dots, click on advanced options, scroll down until you see repair and reset. You can try repair as well, but click on reset and then see if that fixes the issue. And the last method is to clear the store cache. So how do you do that? Type in run, press enter, type in wsreset.exe, press enter. A blank command prompt should come up and then automatically close, and this will reset the cache. Then after you have done that, try to download the game through the Microsoft Store once again. Okay, if this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.